Just to run you through the dashboard, and what we've built here, you can actually get a bit more granular. But if I think about the problem I'm trying to overcome, so actually finding good opportunities to revisit in Salesforce, you can build out a pretty detailed report, but you don't have that granularity, and you don't necessarily know what to filter it by. So if I'm a new rep with a particular industry that I want to focus on, sometimes that routing is not accurate in Salesforce, or the industries are mismatched. What this is doing is kind of looking at additional sources, so ZoomInfo or Cognism, to match the account names to industries. So I'm able to kind of narrow down by a much more specific list of industries. I can filter and look at potentially only opportunities that actually we got to the point of doing a POC. I can look at when the opportunity moved to close lost, what region it was in, if we lost a competition, who that was, and then what the reason we lost was. So the use case that I'm particularly focused around is when it's loss of budget, and no decision, and then project cancelled. And they're typically the opportunities where you're outbound and you're in a little bit too early. Potentially that goes a bit stale. So to give an example here, what I'm able to do is, let's just say I want to narrow down by opportunities that moved to close lost in our fiscal year 24, that had got to at least a stage 2. I can then apply those filters. I should probably caveat that this is a demo version of this use case, because I don't want to show everyone all of the opportunities we've got that we're revisiting at the moment. So these are some kind of examples. Now, what you'll see is by applying those couple of filters, I narrow down again here from 50 opportunities down to 5 after those filters. And I've got 5 accounts here. I can actually go through and look at the re-engagement potential. And what this is doing is using the information in Salesforce that we've got, combined with some external information. So it's actually like web scraping, looking through, again, some of the subscriptions and tools we have to find intent signals, and giving me what the angle might be. So I just take this example here. So Radnor Automotive Group, I can click this generate sales pack. Now, Jean-Paul sits in Slack for us. I'm sharing my web browser, so you won't actually see that. But what that's doing here is the API in Jean-Paul's pushing a request back into Slack to generate an actual sales pack for me.